kind of the question that you're asking is, if you passed away and this was going to your grandson, what happens to the mortgage on the property? Are you
Right.
okay? Okay. Well, first of all, let me back up just a little bit. Generally speaking, what you would need to do in order to transfer that property to your grandson is one of two or three different things. The easy answer in Alabama is you can simply will it to him. Leave a provision in your will that my house goes to my grandson, and when you passed away, through the probate process, that would transfer over to him. Another way to do it is you can actually deed the property to him, either now, or there's a thing that we use a lot of times where we deed property and reserve a life estate, meaning it stays your property for your lifetime, but when you pass away, it doesn't have to go through the will, it goes directly over to your grandson. In any of those circumstances, though, whether you deeded it to him or whether you left it to him in your will, the mortgage is going to stay attached to it. Now, your grandson didn't promise to pay the lender on it, so he's not personally responsible or personally liable for that debt. But and people ask me all the time, well, does that mean my grandson has to pay the mortgage off? And it's a yes and no. They can't sue him to collect the mortgage. However, if he doesn't make the payments, if he doesn't continue to make the mortgage payments or refinance the property once you've passed, then ultimately they still have a mortgage against the property that they could foreclose on. So they can't sue him for the debt, but if he doesn't make the payments, then they ultimately could foreclose on the property. So in a roundabout way, he does have to continue to make the payments.